Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Shipstation account. To sign up and create a new account on Shipstation, first of all go ahead and launch open a web browser. Go to the search box and type in shipstation.com and search. Once you head over to the Shipstation website, go ahead and click on the Try It Free option at the top of the screen. You will now be taken to the Create Account form. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, email address, the name of your company, and create a password on this page. Also make sure to enter a phone number and select your number of shipment per month. Enter an offer code if available and then click on Get Started. After you are done with it, you will now be taken to this login page. Type in your email address or your username and then the password that you previously created for your Shipstation account. Finally, click Login and complete through the CAPTCHA. Soon after it's done, you will then be able to create a new account for Shipstation. After you create your account, you can go ahead and set up for your account, connecting your selling channels, adding shipping providers, selecting a label layout, and much more. So that's how it's easily done. You can easily sign up for Shipstation in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.